Yeah. You feel me? Goddamn woo woo. No. Let go. Yeah.
Wow, Rick.
Mic check 1, 2, we outside. Hating got their mouth wide. I'm Mr. Amazing, I keep them staring till they cross-eyed. Wait a minute, hold on, I'm praying things don't go wrong. My niggas turn on polo red, spraying like the cologne. Staying committed, super grinding till we get plenty. Must I remind you, my whole squadron is out to get it. Big facts, ain't buy no money, then ain't no chit-chat. You keep that, I'm focused on areas where big bitch that. You get that, life is crazy, then you die. But I am never scared to get the money, cause a coward dies 1,000 times. Got something to ponder while I'm jotting. I'll be honest, ain't got all the answers. Tell you when I find them. Trying to solve my problems, feel like calculus, immaculate. Pressure must have miscalculated, but hell it happens. So I just use this booth as therapy and get to snapping. I got options, but I'm praying I make it off this rapping. Cream.
Out the mud, they try to stop me fly. Just on autopilot, too much pain in my life. I was down and out like Rocky, you could see it in my eyes. Roll the dice, pay the price, only the realest survive. Makes sense why I'm still alive. Bout my biz like shooting ties. Niggas don't hate, they despise. Used to sing in church choirs, they hit the trap house selling dimes. When I jumped off the porch, you was too busy crying. That boy 3.14 pie, softer than a feline. Gotta do what I gotta do just so I can survive. That's why I go hard and grind. It's a sprint to the finish. Taking risk every day, overtime and get paid. Run the bag of relay, don't worry, we gon' be straight. Got a couple of bad habits that I'm trying to break. Suffocating life, seen it strangle my air intake. Got some hella way to go, it's time to pick up the pace. So for the sake of my soul, convince my life not a waste. Yeah.